Happy Sabbath again. Pastor, I would like to very sincerely respect the church and do nothing than say thank you for the opportunity to worship with you. But I have two friends of mine, three actually. I would like them to say hi, so that once they say hi, I will say one or two things and then we will go. This is, as you know, a very difficult weekend for all of us because we are in mourning. That's another reason why we shouldn't say much. Janet Ongera, you know, has been an official of ODM in Kisii. This is one of the leaders who worked closest to former Prime Minister Raila ODINGA. And she has basically spent her career working with Mheshimiwa Prime Minister Raila ODINGA. I think partly because of that she wouldn't even be able to say much because of the weight of the loss, but let her just say hello to respect the church before we go.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Happy Sabbath and happy day. Asanteni sana. Sisi, we have accompanied kinara wetu, Mheshimiwa Matiang'i, to come and worship with you and be with you on this day when we remember the prophecy of Helen G. White. Thank you, Pastor, and thank you, choir, for that wonderful sermon and also the wonderful songs. Pia tunamfariji baba wetu. Baba wetu Raila alinichukua kama nilikuwa msichana mdogo sana. I was then 25 years old. Na tumefanya kazi na yeye all these 20 years. Tulianza chama na yeye ODM. Mimi nilikuwa member number 009 na yeye alikuwa number 1. Na tukajenga chama. Baba ndiye alinifundisha siasa. Na alipoona nimemfanyia kazi mingi sana, aliona huyu mtoto lazima nimjenge. Hakuona mimi ni Mkisii, aliona Mkenya daima. He nominated me to be a senator, and even he did not just nominate me to be a senator. He approved and allowed me to be elected by parliament to become a member of the Pan-African Parliament for not just 5 years but 10 years. So he nominated me twice to be a member of Pan-Africa Parliament. And I went on my own. I became a woman rep for Kisii County. And Baba was a great man. Kwa hivyo tunamfariji, tunasema pole. We ask the church to pray for Mama Aida na watoto wake. Na pia, let's have peace in this country as we do our transition. Baba, farewell until we meet again. Asanteni sana and asante kinara wetu kwa kunipatia nafasi.
Asante Mheshimiwa. Lastly, and all my friends I came with, you will forgive me. I will introduce our Senator Richard Onyonka from Kisii, who is also a member of ODM and an ODM Senator. Aseme jambo moja.
God is good all the time. Jothuru amosi in maber. Anyingo Richard wodo Onyonka daleni mosochoka. Anja luo lakini adak Kisii. Thank you, sir, for allowing me to speak. Sitazungumza mengi because some of us are very sad about the passing of Mzee Raila. But the way you said in the prayers, immediately you realize that you're disappointed. You know that somebody will intervene to raise your hopes and the dreams. I believe the way that God has kept Raila checkmating all these things that bad leaders do, somebody else and other people will stand up and keep Raila's legacy running for the future. And I really want to tell my leader and my friend Fred, you heard what that pastor said at Kasarani. And you've also heard what President Uhuru said. We must protect this country. We must take care of the vulnerable. We must make sure we respect each other. And we must make sure that Kenya becomes a country where we love each other and we work because we want a better place for everybody. Thank you and God bless all of you.
Asante sana. I think